All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up? This is the 2018 Mazda 3. I'm going to show you how to operate the air and heater controls on this vehicle. So I'm sitting in the vehicle, all right? And we're going to start from the left, okay? Right here. This is how you turn it on. You can just press that, and it turns on the heating and cooling system. Okay, now if you want to adjust the temperature of the air that's coming out, you either go to the left, you see that, or you go to the right, okay? So that's that, all right? Now, we're gonna go from there, and we're gonna go to like where the air flows. Right here, it flows at the feet. If you press that, right here, it recirculates the air. If you want air condition on and not just the cooler air that's coming from outside, you press this, and it turns the AC on, okay? And it indicates it right down there, okay? If you want the front windshield defrost, you press that, and that's the front windshield defrost. If you want the rear window defrost, you press that. And if the passenger wants a different temperature, you can just turn this right here, and it gives the passenger a different temperature from the driver's side. Okay, now in order to synchronize it, you just press that, and it synchronizes both sides. Okay, down here you have the air flowing at the face and feet, and right here at the face and feet as well too. Okay, all right, over here, this is the fan speed button. You can increase the fan speed or decrease the fan speed. And then last but not least, there is an off button right here. All right, let me know if you have any questions.